In conclusion, we have looked at cold storage systems in this section. We've looked at 5 different kinds: the in-ground, the trench storage, the freezer storage, the in-ground freezer storage, the cold storage, indoor cold storage, as well as the refrigeration. These are all great storage systems, and I'm sure that you can use one or two or a combination. Right? I have a combination of all of these systems actually, but I'm sure that you'll be able to find a system that works for you, works within your budget, works within your lifestyle. And just starting out small, starting out with a second refrigerator, maybe making an indoor cold space in your house, trying out the in-ground storage system. These are all easy, very manageable steps towards food security that you can make in your life and in your household. And just again, these are reliable setups. These have worked very, very well for me. I've tried a number of different ways. And again, it always comes down to temperature and humidity. And for me, I've tried storing potatoes in the crawl space, but it was too warm. And then they had eyes growing like this by January, and they were all shriveled. And I've just experimented with a bunch of different ways, and these are the most reliable ways that I have found. And again, long-term food storage really hinges on your cold storage systems. So taking the time to think this through, taking the time to look at your house and your yard, and thinking through where you can implement these strategies is a really great first step. So let's get into the preservation methods.